Hey folks, I'm Adam, and today we're looking at this fantastic Nice-Well scale. It comes to us in silver or brushed aluminum, if you will. It's a fantastic scale, and let's go ahead, take it out of the box, and kick it off right about now. So, an up close of the scale itself, you can see it's absolutely beautiful. Has a great fit and finish. It does have battery power. The batteries come with it, and it just slides in to the back. A nice thing about this product is it does have direct customer service as well as a lifetime warranty on all your purchases. So, it has a capacity of 22 pounds. It will weigh in grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces, fluid ounces, and milliliters. Comes with the two AAA batteries. Scale size is 9.3 inches by 6.5 by 0.6, so it's ultra thin, and that is very nice for a lot of users. And the net weight is 1.16 pounds. Now, if you aren't cooking with a scale like this, you're probably not cooking correctly. Being able to measure exact measurements, down to the gram, down to percentages of grams, like fractions of a gram, is going to get your food tasting better. It's going to get your diet better. If you're worried about your diet, if you're trying to make exact meals and measure your calories and things like that, you're absolutely going to need a scale like this. And of course, this works for both fluid and it works for solids. So let's go ahead and look at it up close. Now here's a nice up close of the silver design. You can see how easily it cleans, just some soap and water, a wet rag, and then dry it off. The tare feature and the units, you can scroll through your units, grams, kilograms, fluid ounces, ounces, and milliliters. So putting it on grams real quick, you can use the tare feature right here to zero out the weight of a container. And then you can know exactly how many grams you've put in. You can even zero it out again if you prefer, and see how much you've added. So that's fantastic. Again, let's flip it over here. You can see the lifetime warranty, all the information here. You have these nice pads to keep from scraping or scratching in your kitchen, as well as to keep it from sliding. Batteries are easy access, two AAA batteries, which are included. And it's really just a beautiful steel, brushed aluminum, if you will, scale. So go ahead and pick one up for yourself. So there you go, folks. It's an absolutely amazing scale. You're going to want to pick one up today. Nice-Well makes the best scales money can buy. They're absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.